Hello programmers, today I'm going to show you guys that how to get pro level in GitHub for free. I have recently got pro level in GitHub and posted about it in my Facebook account. After that, some of my friends asked me how they can also get this pro level. So now I will tell you guys that how you can also get this pro level. To get this pro level, you will need to get GitHub Student Developer Pack. Before getting GitHub Student Pack, let's check the benefits of GitHub Student Pack. As you can see that you will be able to get free .me domain for 1 year from Namecheap after getting this student pack, and you will be also able to get any kind of domain for 1 year from name.com, and you will be also able to get .tech domain for 1 year for free. You will be also able to get cloud hosting free from DigitalOcean, Microsoft, Heroku, many other designing tools like Canva Premium for free, and other developer tools, domains, and many other tools. You can check them. I will provide you this link in my video description so that you can also check it. So now I am going to show you guys that how to get this GitHub Education Pack. First of all, you will need to search for GitHub Education and click on the first link. And after that, you will be able to find GitHub Student Developer Pack option. If you are a student, you can select this option, but if you are a teacher, then select the teacher toolbox option. So I am a student, I am selecting GitHub Student Developer Pack, and after that you will need to click on Get Your Pack option. And here you will be able to see two options: Get Student Benefits, Get Teacher Benefits. So I am a student, I am selecting Get Student Benefits. You must be at least 13 years old to get this student pack. So I have already taken this student pack. Here you can see that. So first of all, you will need to select your email, and after that you will need to enter the name of your institution, in which institution you are studying. I will provide you this text in my video description. I want to contribute GitHub by sharing my interesting projects. I want to keep my all project code and host them on GitHub by creating repositories. I hope the GitHub Student Pack will help me to contribute more and do more amazing projects. So you will need to write something like this. I will provide you this text in my video description. You can copy this text, you can modify this text. Okay, here you will need to prove that you are a academic student. So you will need to give any kind of proof of your academic status. You can submit your admit card, or you can submit your ID card, or any kind of details about your academic. I am not clicking on process my application because I have already applied it like this, and after that I have got the confirmation. So now I am going to show you the confirmation mail. I am going to open my Gmail, and here you can see that if I search for GitHub Education, and I have got an email from GitHub Education. Thank you for submitting your application for GitHub Education benefits. We have received your application and you should have received email by May 31. But GitHub takes some time to review your details and approve it, so you'll just need to wait patiently. After that you will be able to get this pro level. Okay, and you will be able to get the all kind of benefits for free.